Introduction to Holistic Wellness. Holistic wellness encompasses a comprehensive approach to health, considering the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. It moves beyond merely treating symptoms to address the root causes of imbalance and promote overall well-being. Its perspective recognizes that physical health is deeply intertwined with emotional, mental, and spiritual states. Embracing holistic wellness means cultivating practices that nourish every aspect of your being, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. It's about achieving optimal health rather than just the absence of disease. Understanding stress and its impact. Stress is the body's natural response to challenges, acting as a survival mechanism that prepares us to fight or flee. While short-term stress can be beneficial, chronic stress poses significant risks to both physical and mental health. It can manifest as persistent fatigue, sleep disturbances, digestive issues, and weakened immune function. Mentally, chronic stress often leads to anxiety, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and even feelings of hopelessness. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards effective stress management. The holistic approach defined. A holistic approach to stress relief views the individual as a whole, rather than a collection of separate symptoms. It considers how lifestyle, environment, relationships, and personal beliefs contribute to stress levels. This perspective encourages self-awareness and empowers individuals to take an active role in their healing journey. Instead of isolating problems, holistic therapies seek to restore balance across all dimensions of life. This integrated view ensures that interventions are comprehensive and sustainable, addressing the root causes of distress. Benefits of holistic therapies. Holistic therapies offer numerous advantages over conventional symptom-focused treatments. They promote long-term well-being by addressing underlying imbalances, not just surface-level issues. Many holistic practices are non-invasive and have fewer side effects, making them suitable for a wide range of individuals. These therapies also empower individuals with tools for self-care, fostering resilience and personal growth. Ultimately, they aim to enhance overall quality of life, leading to greater vitality and emotional stability. Mindfulness and meditation. An introduction. Mindfulness is the practice of intentionally bringing one's attention to the present moment without judgment. It involves observing thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations as they arise, fostering a deeper connection to one's inner experience. Meditation, often used interchangeably, refers to a set of techniques designed to train attention and awareness. Both practices cultivate a sense of calm and clarity, helping to reduce the reactivity to stressful situations. They are foundational tools for developing emotional regulation and inner peace. Practical mindfulness techniques. Practicing mindfulness can be integrated into daily life through various simple techniques. The breath anchor involves focusing on the sensation of breathing, allowing it to ground you in the present. A body scan meditation guides you through noticing sensations in different parts of your body, releasing tension. Mindful eating encourages you to pay full attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Even mindful walking, where you notice the sensations of your feet on the ground, can be a powerful practice. Benefits of meditation. Regular meditation offers a wide array of scientifically proven benefits for both mental and physical health. It significantly reduces stress and anxiety by calming the nervous system and lowering cortisol levels. Meditation enhances emotional regulation, allowing for a more measured response to challenging situations. It also improves focus, attention span, and cognitive flexibility. Physically, it can contribute to lower blood pressure, improved sleep quality, and even pain management. Integrating mindfulness into daily life. Integrating mindfulness doesn't require hours of dedicated practice. Even short, consistent moments can make a difference. Start with 5 minutes of mindful breathing each morning, or practice mindful eating during one meal. Use transitional moments, like waiting in line or walking between tasks, as opportunities to check in with your breath and senses. Setting gentle reminders on your phone can help establish a routine. The key is consistency and a compassionate attitude towards yourself as you learn. Yoga and movement. An introduction. Yoga is an ancient practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation or relaxation. It is a holistic discipline that aims to harmonize the body, mind, and spirit. Beyond its physical benefits, yoga is a powerful tool for stress relief, helping to calm the nervous system and reduce mental chatter. Various styles exist, from gentle and restorative to vigorous and challenging, making it accessible to individuals of all fitness levels. Incorporating mindful movement into your routine can significantly enhance overall well-being. Types of yoga for stress relief. Several yoga styles are particularly effective for stress relief. Hatha yoga, known for its slower pace and foundational poses, is excellent for beginners. Restorative yoga uses props to support the body in gentle stretches, promoting deep relaxation and nervous system calming. Yin yoga holds poses for longer durations, targeting connective tissues, encouraging release. Vinyasa flow, while more dynamic, can also be meditative through its synchronized breath and movement. Exploring different styles helps you find what resonates best with your body and mind. Physical and mental benefits of yoga. The benefits of yoga extend far beyond flexibility. Physically, it strengthens muscles, improves balance, and enhances cardiovascular health. The controlled breathing, pranayama techniques oxygenate the body and calm the nervous system. Mentally, yoga reduces anxiety and depression symptoms by fostering a mind-body connection. It cultivates self-awareness, allowing individuals to better understand and manage their emotional responses. This integrated approach leads to a profound sense of peace and well-being. Incorporating movement into wellness. Beyond formal yoga practice, incorporating mindful movement into your daily routine is crucial for stress relief. Simple activities like walking in nature, dancing to your favorite music, or gentle stretching throughout the day can release tension. The key is to move your body in ways that feel good and are enjoyable, rather than feeling like a chore. Pay attention to how your body feels during movement, connecting with its sensations. This conscious engagement transforms exercise into a powerful wellness practice. Aromatherapy and essential oils. An introduction. Aromatherapy is a holistic healing treatment that uses natural plant extracts to promote health and well-being. Essential oils, highly concentrated extracts from plants, are at the core of this practice. These oils contain aromatic compounds that can have profound effects on mood, stress levels, and physical health when inhaled or applied topically. The science behind aromatherapy suggests that the scent molecules travel from the olfactory nerves directly to the brain, particularly impacting the amygdala, the brain's emotional center. This ancient practice offers a gentle yet powerful way to support emotional balance. Popular essential oils for stress. Several essential oils are widely recognized for their stress-relieving properties. Lavender is perhaps the most famous, known for its calming and sedative effects, promoting relaxation and sleep. Chamomile, particularly Roman chamomile, also offers soothing and anti-anxiety benefits. Bergamot, a citrus oil, is uplifting yet calming, helping to reduce agitation. Frankincense is valued for its grounding and meditative qualities, while ylang-ylang can help alleviate feelings of anger and tension. Each oil possesses unique therapeutic profiles. Essential oil application methods. Essential oils can be used in several ways to promote relaxation and stress relief. Aromatic diffusion, using a diffuser to disperse the oil into the air, is a popular method for creating a calming atmosphere. Topical application involves diluting the oil with a carrier oil, like jojoba or almond oil, and applying it to the skin, often on pulse points, temples, or the soles of the feet. Inhalation directly from the bottle or from a tissue can provide immediate relief. Always follow dilution guidelines and perform a patch test before topical use. Safety and precautions for essential oils. While essential oils are natural, they are highly concentrated and require careful use. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil before applying them to the skin to prevent irritation. Avoid direct contact with eyes, inner ears, and other sensitive areas. Some oils are photosensitive, meaning they can cause skin reactions when exposed to sunlight after application. Citrus oils are common examples. Pregnant or nursing individuals, children, and those with underlying health conditions should consult a healthcare professional before use. Store oils in dark glass bottles, away from direct sunlight and heat. Herbal remedies. An introduction. Herbal remedies involve using plants or plant extracts for medicinal purposes, a practice with a rich history spanning thousands of years across various cultures. These remedies often contain a complex array of compounds that work synergistically to support the body's natural healing processes. For stress relief, certain herbs can help calm the nervous system, improve sleep, and reduce anxiety without the harsh side effects sometimes associated with pharmaceuticals. The holistic approach of herbalism emphasizes restoring balance within the body. Common stress-relieving herbs. Several herbs are particularly effective for alleviating stress and promoting relaxation. Ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb, helps the body adapt to stress and supports adrenal function. Chamomile is well known for its gentle sedative properties, often used in teas to calm nerves and aid sleep. Lemon balm has a soothing effect on the nervous system, reducing anxiety and improving mood. Valerian root is a potent sedative, primarily used for insomnia and severe anxiety. Passion flower can also help calm restlessness and promote sleep. Forms as herbal remedies. Herbal remedies come in various forms, offering flexibility in how they are consumed. Teas and infusions are simple and popular, made by steeping dried herbs in hot water. Tinctures are concentrated liquid extracts, typically made by soaking herbs in alcohol or glycerin, offering potent and easily absorbed doses. Capsules and tablets provide a convenient way to take standardized doses of powdered herbs. Poultices and compresses involve applying herbs directly to the skin for localized relief. Always choose high-quality, reputable sources for your herbal products. Consulting a professional for herbs. While many herbal remedies are gentle, it is always wise to consult a qualified healthcare professional or a certified herbalist before incorporating them into your routine. This is especially important if you are taking other medications, as herbs can interact with pharmaceuticals. A professional can provide personalized recommendations based on your health history and specific needs. They can also guide you on proper dosages and potential side effects, ensuring safe and effective use. Never self-diagnose or self-treat serious conditions with herbs alone. Nutritional wellness. An introduction. Nutritional wellness recognizes the profound impact of diet on mental health and stress levels. What we eat directly influences our brain chemistry, energy levels, and overall physical resilience. A balanced diet rich in whole foods provides the necessary nutrients to support neurotransmitter production, regulate hormones, and reduce inflammation. Conversely, diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can exacerbate stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Prioritizing nutrient-dense foods is a powerful, yet often overlooked strategy for holistic stress relief. Impact of diet on mood. The gut-brain axis is a complex communication system linking the digestive system and the brain, demonstrating how diet directly influences mood and stress. A healthy gut microbiome, supported by fiber-rich foods, produces beneficial compounds that can positively affect brain function and neurotransmitter balance. Conversely, an imbalanced gut can contribute to inflammation and mood disorders. Consuming foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, probiotics, and antioxidants can significantly improve emotional resilience. Making conscious food choices is an active step towards better mental well-being. Key nutrients for stress management. Specific nutrients play a vital role in managing stress and supporting nervous system health. Magnesium is crucial for muscle relaxation and nerve function, often depleted during stress. B vitamins are essential for energy production and neurotransmitter synthesis, directly impacting mood and cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish and flax seeds, reduce inflammation, and support brain health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps protect the body from stress-induced damage. Zinc also supports immune function and brain health, contributing to overall resilience. Mindful eating practices. Mindful eating is a practice that involves paying full attention to the experience of eating without distraction or judgment. It encourages you to notice the colors, textures, aromas, and flavors of your food, savoring each bite. This practice helps you recognize your body's hunger and fullness cues, preventing overeating and promoting better digestion. Eating mindfully also transforms meals into a calming sensory experience, reducing stress around food. It fosters a healthier relationship with food, moving away from emotional eating. Combining therapies for synergy. The true power of holistic wellness often lies in combining multiple therapies for synergistic effects. For example, practicing yoga, movement, while diffusing essential oils, aromatherapy, can deepen relaxation. Pairing mindful eating with herbal teas can enhance digestive and nervous system support. Integrating regular meditation with a nutrient-rich diet provides a comprehensive approach to stress resilience. These therapies are not mutually exclusive, but rather complementary, amplifying each other's benefits. Creating a personalized blend of practices is key to sustained well-being. Sustaining your wellness journey. Sustaining your wellness journey requires consistency, patience, and self-compassion. It's not about achieving perfection, but about making small, consistent efforts that accumulate over time. Regularly check in with yourself to assess what practices are most beneficial and adjust as needed. Celebrate small victories and be kind to yourself during setbacks. Remember that holistic wellness is a lifelong journey of learning and growth, continuously evolving with your needs. Embrace the process with an open heart and a commitment to nurturing your whole self.